How to see TikTok private account videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to see TikTok private account videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to TikTok and make sure that you log in. Navigate to the search icon at top right corner of your screen and then go to the TikTok search bar at top of your screen and type the person's name. Now you need to tap their name in order to open their profile. So if the account is private, you won't see their videos. You can search Google for sites or apps that claim to show private videos. However, most of this lead to ads and don't actually work. So the only real solution you can do is the safest and only legit way to see private videos is you can tap on the follow button and then send follow request. And once they accept your request, you can easily see TikTok private account videos. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.